Howdy folks, Jolly here. I just want to show you this. Here we are, beginning of May, and we got some snow. It's been beautiful days, right? And it's not like terribly cold. Look, we're at 1 degree Celsius. So I'm at the top of the hill. Hopefully this will turn back to rain as I get down. But yeah, it's fun to see. You know, it's I'm ready for anything, and it's not much of an issue at all. But I'm thinking about all the people who went to the garden center and picked up some stuff maybe a little bit too early, or you know, the people who have gotten their winter tires off, because I still have them on my vehicle, mainly out of necessity. In that I haven't had the ability nor the chance to get my summer tires. But that's neither here nor there. I say this because, you know, I'm worrying about those who are sure that this was all done. You guys are not done yet. Fun to see. All right, peace.